In this tutorial, you'll design a user onboarding welcome card in Photoshop using custom shapes, a layout commonly used when new users open an app or platform for the first time. Open Photoshop and create a vertical canvas suitable for mobile UI. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a large rounded rectangle in the center as the main card background. Choose a warm, friendly color to make the welcome feel inviting. Add a circle custom shape near the top to represent a user avatar or illustration placeholder. Below it, draw a thin rectangle shape as a divider line. Use the Type tool to write a welcoming headline and a short supporting message. Create a call to action button using another rounded rectangle shape at the bottom. Duplicate the card, move it slightly downward, reduce opacity, and add a soft